So first we need to figure out where the slope is 0, so it's right here, 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 and here. Then we have to determine if it's above, if it's negative or positive. So if it's on top, it's positive, bottom, negative. So and then you end up getting these. Then you have to determine whether the slope is negative or positive. Then you get these. So in the end, first you got to do this. Then you figure out the local minimum, where it goes negative to positive, and that's 1. And you figure out points of inflection, which is when it flips signs, negative 3 and 3. Then you have to find all the intervals where the graph is concave down, also has a negative slope, which is negative 7, 3. Then you graph it out, it turns out like this. Alright, the same thing we did on the other one. We need to figure out if it's positive or negative. So you get this graph, or this row. Then you need to determine whether the slope is negative or positive. Then you get this one. With that information, we can start the math problem. So we need to figure out where blah 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 has a relative maximum, which is negative 4, because it goes, where is negative 4 right here? Negative positive, I think. It's right there, yeah. Then we need to figure out where all the inflection points are, which is when it changes signs. So it's 6, negative 2, and 4. Then we need to determine where the intervals of the graph is increasing and concave up. And that's negative 8, negative 6, and 0 and 4. Because it concaves up. Concave up. Then you just sketch out this here. And it comes out like that. Alright. We have to, since this is double prime, we need to make one row, only one row. So here's what it is. Once you get that, you can start the math problem. So we have to state the intervals on which the graph of f is concave up, and that's negative 2 and 2, because it concaves up. Like a little concave up. Then we need to state the intervals on which the graph is concave down, and that is, what is that, negative 6. Concaves down. 2 and 4, because it goes down. As long as it goes down. And then, for what values of x does the graph of f have a point of inflection? And inflection is when the sign changes, and that's negative 6, negative 2, 2, and 4. Thank you for watching.